morning children, welcome back to Hindi class. Class 5th lesson name is Murga aur Lomadi. So today topic is lesson number 6 grammar part. शब्द समूह में शामिल विषय या असंबद्ध शब्द पर गोला लगाओ. मुर्गा, bang, pang, kalagi. Kalagi is a different word. So 3 words are related words, 1 word is different. So what we'll do here, we will identify the different word and round the word. Pet, doll, tongue, fool, fal. Tongue is different word. Lomadi, poonch, कान, सींग, आंखें. सींग is different word. कुत्ता, कान, दांत, पंजे, पंख. पंख is different word. तालाब, पानी, मछली, लहरें, whale. Whale is a different word. Dear children, turn the page number 20. Open your textbook, page number 20. Vachan means number. Vachan means number. Lomadi, lomadiya. Muraga, murage. Doll, hamala, hamale. Kutta, कुत्ते. नज़र, नज़रें. डाल, डालें. चीज़, चीज़ें. गर्दन, गर्दनें. Once again, see the g vachan, number. ekvachan, bahuvachan means singular, plurals. Lomadi, lomadiya. Muraga, मुर्गे. हमला, हमले. कुत्ता, कुत्ते. नज़र, नज़रें. डाल, डालें. चीज़, चीज़ें. गर्दन, गर्दनें. Next, विलोम शब्द means opposite words. नीचे, ऊपर. बड़ा, छोटा. मित्र, शत्रु. उतरना, चढ़ना. अच्छा, बुरा. सुनना, सुनाना. सुनना, सुनाना. नेक्स्ट, पर्यायी शब्द. पक्षी, पंछी. खग, विहंग. पक्षी, panchi, khak, vihang. So these 3 words also meaning also same. Pakshi also bird, panchi also bird, khag also bird, vihang also bird. Next, asman, gagan, nab, ambar. Asman, gagan, nab, ambar. These 4 words meanings also sky, pet, vruksh, taru, padap. Pet, vruksh, taru, padap. These 4 words meaning also tree. So dear children, complete your textbook and workbook and read full lesson. Okay children, bye.